Positivity is not just a state of mind. It's a powerful choice we make in the face of adversity. A positive act creates a ripple effect that extends beyond ourselves. Embrace the journey with me as we explore the profound impact positivity can have on our lives. The power of positivity shapes our reality, offering us a more compassionate and fulfilling experience. Each new day is an opportunity to embrace positivity. It starts with us being positive, shaping our mindset and influencing others. How we react defines our journey. Positivity is not just a state of mind. It's a powerful choice we make in the face of adversity. A positive act creates a ripple effect that extends beyond ourselves. Our positive acts have a lasting effect on the lives of others, creating a brighter and more harmonious world. Positivity opens our eyes to the opportunities hidden within challenges. Believing in ourselves is a cornerstone in positivity, influencing the way we perceive our capabilities. As we become more self-confident, the positive energy inside of us grows and emanates, impacting not only our own accomplishments, but also encouraging others to believe in their potential. As we conclude this presentation of the power of positivity, remember that each moment of compassion contributes to a life well lived. Our journey today has highlighted how positivity in its various forms shapes not only our individual experiences, it also leaves a promising imprint on the tapestry of humanity.
Say whoa.